Respected dignitaries on the dais, Shri J.M. Kennedy, Director Tax Research Unit, Central Board of Central Excise and Customs, New Delhi, Commissioner of Central Excise, Shri V.P.C. Rao, Joint Commissioner of Central Excise, Shri S.K. Virdi, President of Goa Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Mangarish Raikar, Air Commander P.K. Pinto, Director General of Goa Chamber of Commerce, and my dear brothers and sisters, a warm welcome and a happy good morning to you all. This is one of the unique seminars where we are having the department officers as well as the assessees jointly joined in for a session on service tax, and it is to be addressed by none other than the Director of Tax Research Unit, directly from Central Excise and Customs, New Delhi. He has not given me any introduction or profiling of his. He only has mentioned to have his name announced, that's all. So that's the simplicity that he comes with, and I think that is the warm change that has come to us from the department, where it has in the month of June or July issued a circular on a HUG policy, that is help, understanding and guidance. So I am grateful to the organizers, that is the Goa Chamber and the Goa Commissionerate of Customs and Central Excise and Service Tax, for having given this opportunity to me to compare the gathering. And with these few words, I would request our President, Shri Mangarish Raikar, to welcome Shri J.M. Kennedy with a floral bouquet, and I would like you to carry that with a loud round of applause. I would also like our chairman to welcome, our president to welcome the Goa Commissioner, Shri V.P.C. Rao, with a floral bouquet, and please carry the loud round of applause. I now request our President of Goa Chamber to address the gathering with a few words and welcome you all.
Good morning, everybody. It's nice of Parimal to say that I should say a few words. Mr. J.M. Kennedy, Director TRU CBDT, Mr. V.P.C. Rao, Commissioner Central Excise and Customs, Mr. Vidhi, Commodore Peter Pinto, Mr. Parimal, dignitaries in the audience, media, press, friends, officers of the Customs and Central Excise. Friends, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome Mr. J.M. Kennedy to the chamber today, a person with immense knowledge on the subject, a person who is spearheading this directorate, and a person who could be one and the only one who could answer to all your queries, grievances. And we also have with him, although it's almost a year now that Mr. VPC Rao is in Goa, and we have been interacting with him quite often. This is the first maiden visit to the chamber office. So I welcome you, sir, to the chamber. Mr. Virdi is our old friend of the chamber. I would like to say one thing, that with this commissionerate, chamber has a very good approach, very fruitful discussions, and has been always proactive in their approach in solving the problems. But at the same time, we continue to have our problems, because we continue to have new systems being put in place, new acts being put in place, and the teething trouble is always there, which we need to sort it out. Sir, first and foremost, we have a major problem in the sense that RAC meeting has been shifted out of Goa and all the way to Pune. Although we have a commissionerate here, it should have been a prerogative of the commissionerate to hold these meetings in Goa itself, which would facilitate our attending the meetings, as well as putting forward the grievances of the members concerned. Second aspect is, we are today passing through turbulent times because of the stoppage of one of the major business in Goa, which has been predominant since pre-liberation time, and that is mining business, and because of which even the transportation has come to a standing halt. And you must be agreeing, sir, that the service tax which is attributed to the transportation, I think even the commissionerate who face the heat of it. So we are all stakeholders in this. We need to be proactive in this approach, in taking up the cases to the central government, to the local government, to the authorities concerned, and try to find solution to this problem, so that we get the economy back on the trail, and also the development process, because once the money goes in the kitty of this department, it goes in the development process of the country as well as of the state. So we understand that, and we will be with you in finding solution to this, so that even our business partners get their due share, as well as the government gets back on the roll. Now, another thing which I would like to say, sir, that Goan's community, business community, is known to be highly compliant. We take pride in paying our dues in due time, and also having a relaxed atmosphere at home. So in fact, we would be more than willing to learn from you the process of the service tax, as well as to learn the acts and the rules therein. Most so because knowledge is getting empowerment, and with the knowledge we know where we stand, what we need to do, and what are our liabilities as well as what are our dues. At the same time, we would request your officers. I know Mr. Luis has been very cooperative in his department, but not all things are always flowery. So we need to put the system in order. We need to have proactive approach, and the people need to be more knowledge giving, facilitating, and being a friend, so that the SSC feels at home, and we also feel that we need to fulfill our commitments towards the department. So with these few words, I'm sure we will go a long way in building up ties, building up bridges, and also taking this momentum further. Let us work together for building up a strong nation and a strong country, which will be appreciated world over. Thank you very much, and welcome you once again. Thank you.